Well, we pulled off those ugly milk jugs. Time to replace the bumper end caps on the Jeep Wrangler TJ. So I picked these parts up off of Amazon, and yes, they are Mopar genuine parts. I got the entire set, both front and rear, for less than $20. I'll leave a link in the description below. I thought that was pretty crazy because most places want about $70 just for one set. I'll go ahead and show you the numbers here, just so you can see that these are genuine parts. And here's the ones for the front. Pretty simple. And it's kind of hard to see, but there's the part number on that one too. So with those old ugly bumper ends off, that's what the front looks like. And this is what the back looks like. If you read the forums, they'll tell you to keep all this old hardware. That's nonsense. This stuff's all junk. Throw it away. It won't even work with the new end caps, and odds are you probably had to cut at least one or two of these just to get the old ones off. This is what I'm using here. It's all stainless steel, and if you'd like to pause the video, you can zoom in on each one of the sizes. This project's about as easy as it gets. As you can see, I've already got one side done. Note that the new end caps only use one screw up front on the top and the bottom. In the back, they'll use three. So you are going to have that empty space there on your front bumper. Here's what the back looks like. Two up top, and you'll have one underneath as well. Pretty simple. Hit these with a little bit of touch-up paint, and I say you're good to go. All told, this project cost about $30 between the end cap and all the hardware. Another project done. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and see what projects don't make it to video. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.